Hello guys, I'm going to show you how to do basic math in JavaScript by using this website called hs.com, and we're going to use one of the example from the website, which is exercise running speed. So with this example we need to come up with a solution to solve the problem that's going to calculate the speed of the runner. So it basically asks us write a program that asks the user how far they ran in miles and then how long it took them in minutes, and print out their speed in miles per hour. So let's go. So in order to start, first we have to ask the user to define two variables. First one will be var miles equals, then we're going to read int from the screen. We're going to ask user how many miles they have ran. So let's prompt the user how many miles you ran, and then second variable will hold the minutes they ran. Okay, so read int how many minutes took you. Right, so we have two variables, so we have to calculate the speed. So for here, so we have to be careful about the speed is mile per hour. So if you do this, which most of my students are doing the same mistake, when they're calculating, they forgot to convert minutes into hours. So they basically do that. So speed equals miles times minutes. Then let's print this out here. Println your speed is plus speed plus mile per hour. So be careful here, this is mile per hour, but we forgot convert minutes into hours. So let's see how it's going to result. So run the code here. How many miles we have ran? 20. And how many minutes that took us? Let's say we ran 10 miles in 30 minutes, so pretty fast. So it should give us 20 miles per hour in speed, but let's see what's gonna happen. Because here your speed is 300 miles per hour, so which is not quite possible. If you're not a human, though, it's possible, but which is not quite possible for a human being. 300 miles per hour. So what is the mistake here? We forgot to convert minutes into hours. So in order to convert minutes into hours, we have to divide minutes by 60, and let's get this into parentheses. Okay, then now calculate. Let's clear the screen. Let's run the code. Let's put the exact numbers. So 10 miles we have ran, and in 30 minutes we have ran. That should give us 20 miles per hour. Let's see. It says your speed is 5 miles per hour actually, and let's see what's wrong in here. Yeah, well, the thing is, yeah, of course we shouldn't divide minutes by 60, but we divide 60 by minutes. So because if you ran 10 miles in 30 minutes, then we can run 20 miles in an hour, right? So let's run the code again. So we ran 10 miles, and we ran this 10 miles in 30 minutes. So okay, here it is. So your speed is 20 miles per hour. This is the correct calculation. So the basic math here in JavaScript, you can even do the math when you're initializing this variable, or you can do it later on. For example, you can cut these off from here. You can initialize it as 0, and then later on you can set the value into it. So it's exactly the same thing, so it's not going to change anything. So 30, it's 20 miles per hour. So and for here the println, when you're doing the print out here, we're using println statement. So you have to be careful about that, giving the space between this variable, which is this space, represents this space, because if you don't give the space here and nor here, and it's not going to come out right. See here, see that there is no space here. It's 20 miles per hour, so we don't want to have this look. So don't forget to give the space here and clear again one more time in 30 minutes. So our speed is 20 miles per hour. All right. Thank you guys. That's it for now. So see you next lesson.